The second phase of the Jammu and Kashmir District Development Council elections is currently underway. The voting that started at 7 a.m. is taking place in 43 constituencies across J&K, 25 in Kashmir and 18 in Jammu. There are 321 candidates. 196 candidates are contesting from Kashmir, whereas 125 candidates are contesting from Jammu. The DDC election contest is primarily between BJP and the People's Alliance for Gupkar Declaration, that is a coalition of 6 regional parties. DDC polls are the first elections, in fact, taking place in Jammu and Kashmir after the abrogation of Article 370 and 35A in August 2019. The first phase of the polling took place on Saturday with a voter turnout of 51.76%. The DTC polls are being held in 8 phases, with the last date of polling on 19th of December. Counting is going to take place on 22nd of December.
सड़कें बननी चाहिए, नाली ऐसे पहले सरपंच ने बनाई नाली, सारा गड्ढा उधरी, सारा गंदा पानी, कुछ ही नहीं यहाँ पे विकास हुआ है। तो हमें तो बड़ी शिकायत है, अगर अभी भी नहीं हुआ तो हम वोट ही नहीं डालेंगे। बस
अभी उम्मीद है आपको इन चुनाव के बाद?
लगता है अगर अब हो जाए तो।
किस मुद्दे को ध्यान में रखते हुए आज वोट डालने आए?
सर, हम चाहते हैं कि बेरोजगारी दूर हो, डेवलपमेंट हो, जो लोगों की कमियां शिकायतें दूर हो जाएं।
मतलब डेवलपमेंट के नाम पे
अच्छी हो जाए।
पोलिंग बराबर 7 बजे स्टार्ट हुई है यहाँ पर, तो जो सिक्योरिटी के इंतजाम, बाकी जो भी फैसिलिटीज़ हैं तो वो सारे यहाँ पर अवेलेबल है हमारे पास। अभी लोग आ रहे हैं, अभी कम है क्योंकि सुबह है, तो सुबह कम ही आते हैं, तो दिन में इंशाल्लाह जितना दिन बढ़ेगा तो लोगों की तादाद बढ़ जाएगी।
ये नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने चाहा कि पहले पंचायतों के चुनाव, फिर बीडीसी के चुनाव और अब जिला परिषद के चुनाव कराने की शुरुआत की है, जो पहले कभी नहीं हुए थे। और मुझे खुशी इस बात की है कि 51% से ज़्यादा वोट पहले चरण में पड़ा, आगे और बढ़ेगा। ये उनके मुंह पर तमाचा है जो कहते थे कि लोग पत्थर उठाएंगे, बंदूक उठाएंगे। लोगों ने न पत्थर उठाया, न बंदूक उठाई, केवल बैलेट में अपना मतदान किया, लोकतंत्र को मजबूत किया।
Voting has begun for the second phase of District Development Council elections here in Jammu and Kashmir. In the second phase, 43 District Development Councils will go for voting, out of which 25 from the Kashmir Valley and 18 from the Jammu region. So far, the polling has started early in the morning at 7 a.m. when it was a freezing temperature here in the Kashmir Valley, particularly in the Srinagar city, and also a dense fog. But despite that, people had come out. After the more than 50% turnout in the first phase of polling, these polling and elections are picking up pace as the participation of the candidates from the People's Alliance of the Gupkar Alliance had contested these elections. They have made them very interesting. But it will be also interesting to see what will be the turnout in the second phase of elections, as it is a long process which will continue till 19th of December. All the elections will be concluded in 8 phases. So far as today's phase is concerned, more than 7 lakh, near about 8 lakh voters will make their choice for the candidates of District Development Council. With Roof Ahmed, Ashraf Wani for India Today in Srinagar.
Shuja Haq is joining us live with the latest on this. Shuja, this becomes very crucial given the fact that this is the first election taking place in Jammu and Kashmir ever since the abrogation of Article 370, and people coming out to vote, they are going to be deciding between the BJP vis-a-vis the Gupkar Alliance.
Well, absolutely. It's a very significant exercise that is taking place in Jammu and Kashmir. In fact, the fact that it is happening, first time after the big decisions on the special status of the erstwhile state was taken last year, it makes it all the more significant. Today is the second phase. We saw a couple of days back, the first phase had substantial number of people coming out in terms of the voter percentage. And even today, we're seeing that the reports coming in from various areas suggest that the people in their areas have started coming out. In fact, till 9 o'clock, the voter percentage has been around 6 or 7%. The data is been coming out, and we will be, of course, updating our viewers on that. I am at one of the polling stations here in the outskirts of Srinagar. This area is called Balhama, and since morning we've been witnessing a lot of people coming in. A lot of women specifically have stepped out of their homes and have casted votes, at least in this particular polling booth. Overall, if you look at the significance of this elections, this is the first time that DDCs are being set up. These are district development councils, which basically are adding a layer of governance at the local district levels, and that's perhaps the reason why a lot of people are showing interest in them. There are the main contest in these elections is between the People's Alliance for Gupkar Declaration, which is the amalgam of 6 parties, regional parties, including National Conference, PDP, and on the other side is the BJP and its affiliates. Throughout the campaigning, there have been controversies with leaders like Mehboob Mufti, Omar Abdullah suggesting that level playing field was not provided to their candidates in terms of security and other arrangements, while everything else was given to the other side. So all of it happening at this point of time in the valley is significant. But let me end by saying that people, whoever we spoke to, suggest that they are hoping that these elections perhaps will bring some sort of a relief to their daily lives in terms of development in their particular areas.
Absolutely. Stay with us right there. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this. Shuja, very crucial district polls taking place in Jammu and Kashmir, especially because this is the first polling that is taking place of any kind after the abrogation of Article 370.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.